Hello students. Today we will discuss about the forest and climate change. I am here. My name is Dr. Preeti Mathur, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, SPC, Government College, Ajmer. So students, we'll discuss about this topic and I hope you will like it. So, viewers, as we all know that forests are very important for our life, for humans and for the living beings. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा और बहुत बहुत विभिन्न प्रकार की डाइवर्सिटी पाई जाती है और ये जो बायोडाइवर्सिटी फॉरेस्ट में पाई जाती है ये इंटरडिपेंडेंट होती है और फॉरेस्ट के एनवायरनमेंट पे भी डिपेंड करती है। फॉरेस्ट जो है इनका बहुत बड़ा रोल होता है हमारे क्लाइमेट चेंज में। हमारे जैसा कि मैं आपको फर्स्ट स्लाइड में दिखा रही हूँ, जितने ज़्यादा फॉरेस्ट होंगे उस जगह उतनी ज़्यादा ही रेनफॉल होगी और आप ये देखेंगे कि वहाँ का जो क्लाइमेट है बहुत प्लेजेंट होगा और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बायोडाइवर्सिटी और फूड चेन्स पाई जाती हैं फॉरेस्ट में, जो कि काफ़ी हरा भरा और बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है। इसमें सस्टेनेबल फॉरेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, मिटिगेशन एंड एडेप्टेशन एंड इनिशिएटिव्स टू एनकरेज कम्युनिटीज़ टू प्रिजर्व फॉरेस्ट, ये सब कार्य ह्यूमन बींग्स को करने चाहिए। सो व्यूअर्स, द इंट्रोडक्शन of this part of my lecture will be focused upon the forests because they play a significant role in improving people's livelihoods directly and indirectly through provision of wood and non-wood forest products. Secondly, it is very important that they regulate climate change through carbon sequestration. Thirdly, they stabilize soil, treat waste, provide habits, and offer opportunity for recreation. How they stabilize? Soil? By the help of their roots. Their roots, they penetrate inside the soil and then they hold the grip of the soil so that when there are erosions and big winds and flows which take away soils with them, this will be stopped by the presence of trees, plants, and forests. Fourthly, they benefit us when there are continuous decrease due to reduction of area under trees. These benefits, they are on continuous decrease due to reduction of area under trees. आप इस स्लाइड में देख रहे हैं क्लाइमेट चेंज फिनोमिना दिखाया गया है। इसमें कि आप देख रहे हैं नीचे कोल्ड, एवरेज और हॉट दो ग्राफ्स दिखाए हुए हैं। तो in the first graph you see there is less cold weather and then the previous climate is this, and then see the increase in mean, and then finally there are more winds and more cold hot weather in the next graph. This is a new climate. Old climate was there. When the old climate was there, then there was less hotness was very less. And now when the climate has changed, you can see the second graph, new climate change you see. In this you can see there is more hot weather. See the pink portion, it is more hot weather and then more record hot weather. The heat is too much, which has been shown in the second graph of this slide. So the cold was average, the climate was average earlier. Now the climate is increased and it has become hotter and hotter day by day. Now the introduction in indicators and effect. Now introduction, evidence of climate change. You can see in these pictures here where there is shown melting of ice is shown over here. A big mountain is shown in the first picture and then there in the topmost area there is ice present and it is melting. Then in the second you can see the plantations over here. The third picture also you can see. So due to melting of ice, these big forests has been converted into small plants. These are the indicators and effects. Like Mount Kenya lost 92% of its ice mass, while Mr. Kilimanjaro lost 82%, which comprises an important source of rivers, streams, and springs. There are changes in the ecosystem and loss of biodiversity. Spread of infectious diseases such as malaria, since increase of temperature favors the breeding of disease carrying insects, animals, and microbes in the places they did not exist before. More frequent and severe with time, like La Nina of 1999 to 2001, flooding, Badlangi, and Zoya. Severe socio-economic impact, loss of life, livestock, migration, poor yield. So we'll discuss now about the impact of climate change on forests. So mainly global impact of climate change on forest is climate factor, that is carbon dioxide, it increase, then cell level, organism level and species level एंड इकोसिस्टम लेवल पे सब पे इसका फ़र्क पड़ता है. और हम देखते हैं कि CO2 इंक्रीज से क्या होता है, सेल्यूलर लेवल पे क्या होता है, ये फोटोसिंथेटिक रेट इंक्रीज हो जाती है, स्टोमेटल कंडक्टेंस वो रिड्यूस हो जाता है. और ऑर्गेनिज्म लेवल पे क्या होता है, ग्रोथ रेट इंक्रीज हो जाती है, वाटर यूज़ एफिशिएंसी इंक्रीज हो जाती है, सीड प्रोडक्शन इंक्रीज हो जाता है. इसी प्रकार स्पीसीज लेवल पे डिक्रीज सीड मोर्टेलिटी, इंक्रीज रिक्रूटमेंट period for individuals to reach maturity and changes in individual density. Then finally ecosystem level पे क्या होता है, biomass production increase हो जाता है. और इसके बाद alternation in species, competitive needs and changes in species composition. Temperature increase होने पर photosynthesis increase or decreases. Either it will increase or it will decrease. Photosynthetic period can increase, transpiration increases, primary production, positive or negative changes, they occur in organism level, and seed production changes. And again we see in the species level regeneration rate changes, possible increase in tree mortality, negative consequences for species sensitive to temperature changes. And in ecosystem level, the alternation in species, competitiveness and species composition changes, soil mineralization, it also increases. Finally, due to rainfall regime changes, growth rate decrease, seed mortality rate increase in the organism level. And then the species level, at the species level, the increase of mature individuals and mortality rate, it is also affected. And at the ecosystem level, alternation in species, competitiveness, species composition, it also changes. So in this slide I am showing you the impact of climate change on forests, regional and national perspectives. And these forest and climate interaction, actually globally it affects. Now here the climate is an important determinant of the geographical distribution, composition and productivity of forests, species populations and migration, the occurrence of pests and diseases, and of forest regeneration. Forests expected to respond to changes in temperature and to increases or decreases in precipitation brought about on by climate change. Changes in different climate variables would result in adjustments at different levels. You can see the picture where projected impacts of climate change is shown in Africa. These projected impacts for different regions are being shown. It is the case of Africa, where changes induced by climate change are also likely to result in species range shifts as well as in changes in tree productivity, adding stress to forest ecosystems. So, that's all. So, I stop here, students, and I want to thank you all for hearing me patiently. My name is Dr. Preeti Mathur, Associate Professor, Department of Zoology, SPC, Government College, Ajmer. Thank you.